Come in.
Hi, I'm here to see Dr. Wrong.
It's pronounced Wong. The R is silent. But yes, come in. Robert DeBuilder, is it?
Bob is fine.
Bob DeBuilder. So, tell me, what seems to be the problem?
I just can't stop hiccuping. All day, all night. I've been seeing doctors and they keep telling me there's nothing's wrong with me. But there's clearly something wrong. I did a test the other week and our doctor said the results are inconclusive. Please, can you help me?
Well, I can't guarantee that we can get rid of the hiccups, but I do see the underlying cause.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can. No. I'm sorry, Bob DeBuilder. You have singultum.
What's that?
Well, it's a very aggressive disease that first attaches itself to the lungs and then slowly moves down towards your trachea, aggressively attacking everything, causing excessive convulsions.
I don't understand. Is it a big problem, or is it a small one?
Well, unfortunately, in this case, Mr. DeBuilder, size doesn't matter. At first, singultum can seem like a nuisance, but once you have singultum, it's very difficult to cure it. There are treatments, of course, like Conterity or Bibham's Aquam, but in a case as advanced as yours, I've got to tell you, the chances of success here are pretty slim. Do you have any family?
Just my cat, Tibbers.
Do you stay with a family friend? Or I've got some rat sack in my drawer.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, Doctor. I have to leave. Thank you, Doctor.
It's a shame. So young. Another point for Dr. Wong. My builder. Did I tell him to kill his cat?